Hi, I'm Lee with Dosatron and Dilution Solutions. Leela has just shown you our smaller units of Dosatron that go all the way up to 40 gallons. But what if you have a customer that needs much more than 40 gallons a minute in flow rate? We at Dosatron have a solution for that. Starting with our D20S. This is a 2-inch unit that will handle up to 100 gallons per minute, and it is adjustable from 1 to 50 to 1 to 500. We can do much higher flow rates with this unit by installing them in a parallel application. We have done up to 1,200 gallons per minute using this unit. If you have a little bit higher flow rate, we have a new unit called the D132. This unit is capable of 132 gallons per minute. Low flow on this unit is about 35 GPM. So from 35 to 132 GPM, we can inject. One of the nicest features of this unit is very low dilution ratios. We can go from 1 to 100 to 1 to 30,000. This unit is perfect for pH control acids and also sanitation products like peracetic acids.